Hi, I'm Mona London with RXV Realty, and today I'm on the coveted south end of Mercer Island. We are here at 8530 Southeast 79th Place, Mercer Island, Washington. Have you ever dreamed about living the island life? Well, now is your chance. It's called Mercer Magic. Located in the southern portion of Lake Washington, with Seattle to its west and Bellevue to its east. Known for its excellent public schools, beautiful parks, trails, and open spaces with easy access to shops and restaurants. This impeccably maintained home is located in a quiet, pristine cul-de-sac. No matter what your mood, this home will satisfy, both sophisticated and warm. Feeling formal? Then relax and enjoy the living room with soaring ceiling, beautiful fireplace, and huge picture window. Make memorable holidays and enjoy special evening meals in the formal dining room. Beautiful plank flooring leads to lovely remodeled wraparound kitchen with granite countertops, loads of cabinetry, and sweet garden window. The kitchen has access to both den and formal dining room. With your choice of 3 distinct living areas, there will be plenty of room for everyone. Choose between the den off the kitchen, where you can warm up near the second fireplace, read a book, or watch TV. Feeling more like a sunroom? Then cozy up under double skylights. This great room also has a wall of built-ins and access to courtyard. There is a lovely powder room and large utility room. Now let's retreat to the huge master suite. Vaulted ceiling, beautiful bath with skylight, and all the closets you have ever dreamed of. We know we don't like to share. Next door to the master suite is a 4th bedroom, or possibly an office or a gym. It's your choice. There are 2 more large bedrooms and a full bath in the separate wing. The gardens are sublime. The fabulous backyard is equipped with a gym that rivals the ones you find in a park. Come and go with easy access to your 2-car garage. Now don't wait. Come get your share of Mercer Magic. It's right here.